Hello everyone. So today I'll be teaching you guys what is the use of connect beams auction. So right now we'll be preparing one of the we'll make one of the truss. So example, take it height to be this one. Will not give the width. So apply and yeah. Once this is prepared, what I'll do is I'll control all, but I don't want everything to be joined. So let's give a bay of around to the Z direction, five of maybe five of them. I'll not give link steps because I don't want everything to be joined. So now this is joined, but the point is if I would give the link step, everything would be joined. So if you guys want to try it out, let me show it to you guys. So Z direction, 1 2 3 4 5 link step open base. See, everything is joined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even this point is not joined. So it is not like as per my requirement, I want to join it. So what I'll do is I'll go to this one, Z though. I'll not dealing this step. So sorry, Control all, and I'll give steps of around five. I'll not give. Okay. So once this is done, what I'll do is I'll come to this node thing. And wherever I want to join, example, I want to join this one, I want to join this one, and I want to join this one, and I want to join this. Same way, this one, this, and this. So these are the things I want to join. So what I'll do is there's something called as connect beams in here. Just give this to the Z direction. We need to give it because this is a Z direction, right? So Z axis. Yes. So this is how we do it. So by using this method, you can easily connect the beams on it. So if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.